2 weeks ago, we had an opportunity here in Kenya to mark what we call Africa Climate Congress Summit. And actually, wildlife conservation played a key role in all those talks the entire week. And we, as I mentioned, we have an opportunity to ensure we create space for each other, coexistence between wildlife and the humans. The climate change has really hit back on us, and the wildlife conservation, and especially the rhino conservation, has not been spared. It is up to us to be very innovative to make sure that we create space for each other, and the kind of awareness we raise to the people and the community is actually geared towards creating that space.
Bila kuhusisha community utakuwa kwa shida, kwa sababu wanyama wengi kwa Kenya wako nje ya parks ama reserves, wako kwa community land, wako private land, na hivyo ndio muhimu sana wale wanaishi na wanyama wawe na faida ya hiyo wanyama. Na leo tuko frontline ya kuwa kusema community wetu wako pamoja na sisi na wanafurahi. Tuko na program mingi, na hiyo ndio first defense line.